natin in more events like this. Alright? Thank you very much and have a great day. God bless. Tara, smart. Let's go. Alright guys, we're here at City Mall, Imus, and ayan, nakita natin yung kotse ni, of course, Mr. Darwin of All About Cars. Aga dumating, no? Tara, pasok tayo. Alright guys, we're already, hi kuya, good morning. We're already here at City Mall, Imus, and ito na yung mga kotse na nandito. We have this beautiful Tacoma SR5. Very nice. And of course, meron Dodge Challenger. Hi sir.
Hi.
Tapos of course, yung kay Chameleon nandito. And of course, Mr. All About Cars. Ingay ko. Good morning. Hi sir, kamusta po? Okay guys, ito yung mga kotse na nakita natin, of course, from Nanolink PH. Wow! Thanks, Darwin. Hi kuya, good morning. Kamusta? Solid, oh. Guys, ito yung mga entry. Of course, this one will be featuring this on Tuesday. Itong Pajero nila Chameleon. Guys, check it out. Diba? As in, craftsmanship ng Pinoy, ibang klase talaga. Sobrang solid. Tapos ito, itong K-Car. Grabe, galing. So this is number 7. And meron pa doon itong van. Solid nung van. So this is a, if I'm not mistaken, parang VIP inspired siya. Okay, doon sa mga friends natin in abroad, this is how car show looks like now here in the Philippines. So kung uuwi kayo, of course sila, shout out kala Sir Ernie, shout out sa'yo because pag uwi mo dito sa Philippines at ganito na yung car show, ganito na yung itsura. And of course, makikilala mo yun si All About Cars. One of the pinaka sikat na photographer, mobile photographer, car photographer. Of course, ito yung Nanolink PH na Evo 7. Wow, solid. Ganda, no? Mas punta pa tayo. Alright. Tapos ito naman from Clean Lab. This is an SIR na Civic. Oh guys, check it out. Ganda. So ikot lang tayo, tapos mamaya I'm going to one by one dun sa mga kotse. So I would assume ito naka-air sus. Grabe. Of course, ito yung jeep ni Sir Mike. Ayan. Solid, diba? Yung makina nito, later check natin. Ay, ito yung kay Sir. Oo, kay Sir to. Kay Sir J yata. So, ito yung Eclipse na yun. Grabe, solid. Nice, man. Sir, good morning. Kamusta? Nandun ba? Sige, wait lang. Alright, of course, sponsored by US Lube. Shout out sa US Lube. And of course, let's check it out. Ito. Tingnan nyo naman ito. Grabe, oh. From Torque. Ito yung from Torque shop. Lagi natin nakakasama every car meet. And of course, tignan nyo naman ito. Masyadong pinipicturean ni All About Cars, oh. Wow! Ang ganda nito, oh. Ang galing ng concept nito. Galing. Nice. Very nice. Imagine nyo, this concept is from, I believe, from Japan. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung ano itsura nun, pero yung nasa Japan. Pero ito yung parang close, sabihin na natin, period correct. Pero ang ganda. Galing. Ganda, oh. Of course, Toyota Crown. With all the decals and all the... Grabe. Galing. Ang ganda, magkatabi sila. Ito yung parang representing yung pang private. Ito yung pang... Although magkaiba silang model, mas luma to eh. Ang galing. Okay, so this is one of their products, Gion Glass Cleaner. So mostly ito is entry of Torque. Torque Unlimited, check them out, yung shop nila. Oh, grabe. Ganda. Ito pa, ganda ng BM, oh. Ganda ng kulay, battleship gray. Very nice. Tapos ito, kwapo nitong 7 Series, oh. Tingnan, brakes. Galing. Sobrang solid. Ganda. So if you're here, parang, you know, you wanna sumong ma-check lahat ng kotse, parang you feel like inspired na to build your own car, seeing these beautiful cars. Ganda, no? Galing. So this one, no? Ganda, oh. Wala akong masabi, kundi puro maganda lang. This is also from Torque Unlimited, Torque Unlimited. Of course, this one is from Steve Detailing. Nakasama natin sila during Car Mavens. Nice. Grabe, parang paganda siya ng paganda every time na makikita natin sa... Galing, no? So, ay boss. Ayun guys, so may Tamiya dito. Check them out. GLG Shop. O yan, doon sa mahilig sa Tamiya, check them out. Nandito sa City Mall, Imus. Tama, sir? Solid. Thank you. Alright. Galing. Tapos ito, of course, this is from Hachi. If I'm not mistaken. Ito yung na-feature natin, si Tiffany, si TFY. And of course, shout out sa Hachi. NANI? Ganda, oh. This is a very inspiring car because it's a lady-driven, lady-owned car. If you could check it out, here's the link. Hindi ko nakikwento sa inyo, pero this is a very inspiring car. Yung kwento nito is very inspiring. Sobrang solid. Ito yata, if I'm not kung di ako nagkakamali, ito yung silver na pininturahan nila. Of course, dun sa ano natin, dun sa pag dun na feature natin when we went to Hachi. Di ko lang alam kung ito yun, ha. Pero yan, buo na siya. Kung ito yun, galing, buo na siya. Congratulations. Of course, shout out sa Nippon Paint, Boss Omar. And of course, to Uncle Max. Ba't ba ako nasa loob? This one naman, this is a EG. Grabe, ganda. Carbon wood. Spoon inspired. Grabe, oh. Equipped with spoon. Siguro. Well, grabe. Siguro kung nandito din kayo, ito lang din masasabi nyo, grabe. Grabe yung mga entries ngayon. Sobrang wow.
Wow!
Galing. So of course, ganda ng Corolla. Oh. Very nice. So GT siya. Ano po ano? Galing. Holden. Sa Australia ba Holden to? Comment nga kayo guys, bakit Holden and Nova? I just wanna know kung bakit. Ganda ng body kits, ganda. Of course, this is an Altis Gen 11, if I'm not mistaken. Ganda ng mags, oh. Yung body kit, ang ganda. Saka manual. Galing. Very nice. Very nice. Ganda. Shoutout sa JDM Underground. So this is one of their entries. Ganda ng jazz. Wow! Very nice. Ganda, grabe. Ganda ng jazz. Siyempre, may rooms din sa loob. Grabe, oh. So, parang, hybrid inspired. Check out the rims, guys, oh. Ganda. Galing, galing. It's another jazz. Ganda nito. Galing. Ang ganda, nakakatuwa. Kumbaga para silang mga matchbox na nabuhay sila. Diba? Solid. Naka-airso siguro to. Kasi may custom misfits. Shoutout sa custom misfits. Solid. Very nice. Ito pa isa, puro, ganda, oh. Ganda tignan, puro jazz, oh. Ay, ang ganda ng spoiler niyo. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong spoiler ito, eh. Ang ganda, oh. Tapos nag-ano siya, wiper delete dito sa likod. Oh, teka muna. Wow.
Sabi ko lang,
Wow.
like and follow, subscribe, Joms TV Media.
And all about cars. Solid. Oy, ingat ah. Ingat, ingat. Yun, si All About Cars just mag-aalis na siya, nag-shoot lang siya. Ayun, oh, shoutout sa Audionel, Bass Bros, Manila. Ganda. Pag nandito kayo, para siyang mga kaganda. Ay, si Asimo. Kaganda. Oh, shoot. AP Racing, guys. Very nice. Dito sa Slick, every year, padiin ng padiin. Yung term nila, padiin ng padiin yung kanilang entries. And congratulations to the organizers and of course dun sa mga sumali to this event. Congratulations. Grabe. It's very inspiring talaga yung mga builds nyo. Sobrang nakaka-inspire. Let's check out naman itong side na to. Ay, may mas. Okay. Tapos, okay. This is a EK. Civic na EK. Entry number 32. Ganda. Ganda rin. Check out this red EK, or I believe this is an SIR. Ang ganda. Ganda nung paint, guys, oh. Grabe, ang ganda nung pagka-red. You might wonder if these cars are daily driven. Some of them, yes. Pero ganun nga, like sabi nga nila dito sa Philippines, most of the cars are normal na yung malinis on a daily driven basis. Bogsilog. Shoutout sa Bogsilog. Tapos makikita mo sila na naka daily driven cars. Ay! Of course, sir, shoutout.
Good morning, good morning.
Shoutout sa media ng Master Garage. And
Morning,
shoutout,
sir.
of course. Ito yung mga inspiration natin, guys. Pagdating sa mga shoot, sila yung ginagaya natin.
Thank you very
Grabe.
much. Thank you.
Para kayong nanood ng isang movie. Diba, sir?
Thank you.
Sobrang solid. Congratulations, sir, sa event. Congratulations.
Thank you po, sir.
Salamat, sir, sa inspiration. Thank you. Ingat, sir. Oh, yes. Sir, sa kayo mga follow?
Sa Master Garage Media PH.
Yan.
Sa Master Garage Philippines.
So, open ba ang Master Garage PH to other events?
Yes, yes.
O yun. So guys, kung meron kayong mga events na iniisip at naghahanap kayo ng media partner to do the shoot and video, sila, kontakin nyo sila. Master Garage PH Media.
Thank you.
Alright, sir, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Alright, check out this van. Grabe oh. Ito nakita natin siya during event ni Evolution. 200 nila Ma'am Myla. Of course. Grabe, sorry. Hi, brother. Hello sa inyo. Ayan, mga ating mga brothers na sakristan. Solid, oh. Ganda. Galing. Sobrang ganda. Alam nyo yung loob nito, naka-VIP to. Nakita ko na yung loob nito eh. Check out the video guys here. Yan. Yan oh. Tingnan nyo yung loob. Ay, hindi nyo makita. Pero anyway, basta ito yung video niyan na shoot na natin to. Grabe yung loob nito. Ganda. Oh. Solid. Of course. Kotse ni Tito Mike. Ito yung isa sa mga na-feature natin sa Camry Elite. Of course, Tito Mike Rivera's car. And of course, kotse ni Sir Juni is also one of the cars that we featured dito sa ating channel. Guys, bumubulong ako kasi may mass. Today, Sunday. So, God bless sa inyo, guys. This is one of the car na na-feature natin sa ating channel. Very nice. Amen.
After 2 weeks na namin, nagreklamo siya sa Panginoon. Sabi ka, Lord,
Of course, shout out sa AutoWorks. Vigilante AutoWorks. Yan. Check out this ride, though. Grabe, pure muscle. Grabe, solid. So si Vigilante, lagi natin sila nakakasama during car show sa Cars Plus Coffee. And of course, South Unite. So ito, this is the first time that we saw this car. And it's like, wow. Grabe, oh. Solid build, sir, ah. Grabe to. Tingnan nyo, guys. Check this out. Wow. Very nice. Diba? Grabe. Parang pwede na kayong tumira dito eh. Kahit matrap kayo, baha, lindol, parang ito na yun eh. Galing. Of course, from Vigilante AutoWorks eh. So if you want nano ceramic films, mags, anything na about cars, they have everything. Check out their Facebook page. There, Vigilante AutoWorks. Of course, yung Mustang. Grabe, solid to. Very nice. Sa GT500. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong model to, pero ganda. Shelby GT500. Very nice. Guys, shoutout lang tayo. Hi ma'am, how are you? Kamusta ma'am? Ano ba masabi mo sa mga kotse na ito?
Maganda po sir, sobra.
Gagaling, no?
Talaga sir.
Solid. O yun, check out nyo tong Mary Mart Grocery. Ma'am, congratulations. Ay, maraming salamat. Thank you, ma'am. Guys, tanong lang natin si ma'am. May shoutout ka ba, ma'am?
Shout out po kay sir.
Salamat. Salamat, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, God bless, ma'am. Balik tayo. Ito, this one. Grabe, Camaro. It's one of the cars na gusto natin, no? Ganda nito. Of course, maganda parehas eh. Yung Mustang tsaka to. Ay, solid to. Man. So yan, if you wanna have your engine detailed, check out Vigilante Auto Works. And Facebook page. Grabe, solid. Galing. Okay, punta naman tayo dito. Let's check out the cars dito sa gitna. Ito ba yung kay... Ganda no? Ganda oh. Sa 20s. 22, sorry. 22 na Shogun Mugs, if I'm not mistaken. Of course, shout out sa Master Garage. Yan. Grabe, solid. Ganda. This is a Gen 3.5 na Montero. So kung may 3.5 kayo na Montero, if you're thinking kung anong pwede nyong gawin, ito, pwede nyo lagyan ng 22s or 20s, clear tint. Nice, very nice. And of course, kotse ni Sir of Master Garage. Sir Romeo, yun, tama. O, tama ba? Oo, ito yata kay Sir Romeo. Yeah. Grabe, yung ganda oh. This is a Toyota 86, yung pinakabago. Grabe, ang ganda. Very nice. Very nice. Sobrang solid. Okay, ito naman, this is a Mazda 6. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong year ha. Pero Mazda 6 to. Oh, diba? Very nice. Ano pa siya ha? Naka-airsus yata. Definitely naka-airsus to. Kasi kung static to, that would be more impressive. Pero it looks like this is naka-airsus. Very nice. Galing. Ganda ng paint. Ganda ng yung pagka-white niya. Medyo beige na white. Very nice. For its age, this is hindi ko lang alam. Basta this is a Mazda 6. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong generation to. Third generation o fourth? Basta comment na lang kayo guys kung anong Mazda to. Pero this is a nice Mazda 6. For nowadays, hindi nyo na nakikita yung mga ganong kulay. Ay, ganong kotse. This one is a GTR. I'm not sure kung anong body kits to, pero grabe oh. Macho. Parang Liberty Walk ata. O, top secret. Ang ganda. Siyempre, of course, it's a GTR. Check out the wing. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Galing. This is from... Oh, Uncle Max pala to. Oh, Uncle Max Coffee. If you're gusto niyo ng coffee, may ibang kick, ito yun. Check out Uncle Max Coffee. Alright. So of course, sa car show, meron din mga brand new cars. Like this, Photon. O, shoutout sa Photon. Anong branch to, sir? GMA Cavite. So guys, check out. This is the hybrid, diesel hybrid. Yun. Yan. Pupunas pa si sir, naabala natin. Hi, ma'am. Hey guys, mag-shoutout lang tayo. Na-meet natin our friends from Photon GMA Cavite. Tama, sir?
Yes.
I'm with Mr.
Sandy.
Sir Sandy.
Yes.
And Ma'am Laika. And of course, si Ma'am Jem. At saka si Sir yung nagpupunas. Si Sir Ivan. Okay. So kung naghahanap kayo ng pick-up na kasing laki ng ng malaki, ito, check out Photon. Diba, sir?
Yes po.
Tapos it runs in hybrid?
Yes po.
Diesel hybrid. Alright. O check out nyo na yung page nila. Punta na lang kayo, no, sir? Entertaining.
Branch po namin sa GMA Cavite.
Alright. Tapos para makita nyo iba pang models nila yan. O, tignan nyo. Guys, tignan nyo. May 58,000 lang kayo. May kotse na kayo. 28,000, 18,000. Saan pa kayo?
Meron din kaming shares.
O, meron din. Ano to?
Share.
O, cherry naman.
Actually, sir, may test drive unit po kami dyan. Cherry and baing.
Hanggang kailan, ma'am?
Hanggang mamayang gabi.
Hanggang mamayang gabi. O, dapat ma-post na pala natin to. So, kung ano, para makapunta kayo. Pero pwede naman mag-test drive sa...
Yes po, sir.
Pag nag-visit sa inyo.
Yes po.
Okay. O, yun pala. Pwede sila... Papa-test drive pala sila ng mga units nila sa mismong sa branch.
May dala din po kami.
O yun ngayon, may dala sila. Try natin kung makapag-test drive tayo later, ha. Ayun. O, ma'am. Naku, ma'am, thank you. Thank you and welcome sa channel namin dito sa Joms TV Media here at Autoslick Volume 3. Alright, ma'am, thank you. Ma'am, thank you. God bless. Nakapagsimba na ba kayo?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you, thank you. O, doon sa mga naghahanap ng trabaho, ito. Ano to, ma'am? Paano ko basahin to? Encore. Okay. IT, HR, outsourcing. Yan, kung naghahanap kayo ng work, they're hiring. Continuous hiring yata. Hello, ma'am. Kamusta po kayo? Saan ang office nyo, ma'am? Based in Singapore? Hey guys, doon tayo nagtrabaho, Tanjong Pagar. Saan kayo, ma'am, sa Singapore? Somerset. Ah, okay. Yan. So, if you're looking for a job, yan. Doon sa mga IT, o basta check nyo na lang yung page nila. Encore? Correct? Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. Ayun. So, feature natin yung one of the companies din na nandito sa event. And, grabe to. Ganda nito. And hopefully ma-feature natin to kasi pinakita sa atin ni Sir Jay. Ito, na naka-sound setup na rin. Ito guys, so. Ang ganda nitong kwento nitong kotse na to because, yun, basta abangan nyo. Hindi ko na ikikwento. Basta maganda tong kwento na to and hopefully ma-feature natin itong Eclipse na to. Alright? Check out this Civic. Naka-ARD na mags. Nabihira na natin siyang makita. Grabe, ganda ng Civic. Na tipong gusto mo magka-Civic, ganitong kotse yung gusto mong itsura. Of course, mayroon pa iba doon, yung dalawa doon. Ganda. Galing. Sobrang nakaka-inspire. Looking at them is like, you wanna build your car, you wanna work hard para magkaroon kayo ng ganitong kotse. If you're a car enthusiast, this is one platform that you could check it out. At may nagpatong ng tubig dito. Sino nagpatong ng tubig? Okay, this is the Evo 6 yata? Evo 6. Okay, sir. So, this is the Evo 6. Ito yung nakasabay natin during Tonohan and Go Factory. Shoutout sa Nanoling PH. Yan, solid. Hi, ma'am. Good morning. O, yung bili kayong damit kay ma'am, dito sa City Mall Imus. Okay. Grabe, guys, so nabuksan na. Shoutout sa Category 7. Solid tong van na to. Galing. Ano masabi mo, ma'am? Solid yung mga kotse? Galing. Salamat, mama. Di. Kayang-kaya mo yan, sir. Anong shop mo, sir?
Ito, sir.
Ito, sa ito. Wow. Subaru. Anong Subaru to, sir?
GT Edition.
GT.
Forester.
Forester. Ano to, sir? Dinetail?
Ako lang din nag-detail niya.
Ikaw lang nag-detail. Anong shop mo?
Wala.
Wala, ikaw lang. Solo mo lang.
Wala.
Anong Facebook page?
Diego Almario. PN.
Diego.
PN.
PN.
Oo.
Okay. Check out nyo yung page ni sir kung gusto nyo magpa-detail na maging ganito yung kotse. Sir, nice meeting you. Solid. Diba? Interior, exterior, engine, lahat. Basta detailing. Oh, cute na, no? Solid.
Tapos, pwede mabubuksan, sir.
Yung, ano siya? Ito yung naka-sunroof. Okay, solid. Sir, nice meeting you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Kita tayo ulit. Ikot lang ako. Thank you. Right, I'll give you another look on dun sa mga kotse. Like, ito yung entrance. This is a Avery van. Yan o. K-Cars. Project Manila. Right? Cute to. Ito solid. Ito yung from Chameleon. Yan. Shoutout kay Lance Casio. Yan. Guys, Lance Casio in the building. Hello sir. Basta po. Supreme. Okay, dito talaga hindi ako makamove on because this is one of the pickup na pangarap ko. If you remember, ito yung mas luma pa, mas modelo na to. Doon sa Back to the Future, Marty McFly na Toyota Tacoma. Ang ganda! Kasi because this is already an old car, medyo may age na rin siya. Pero they restored it into a pristine condition. Diba? Parang bago pa lang siya. Parang kakalabas pa lang niya sa kasa. Diba? Very nice. Grabe oh. Parang kung gusto niyo sana lagi ganyan lang yung kotse niyo, no? Yung kotse natin laging ganyan, ganyan kalinis. Guys, check it out. May mirror sa baba because they highlighted itong ilalim nila. The works. I don't know kung nakikita nyo pero there. Ganda, no? Parang if you have a 4x4, you wish na ganito kalinis. Pero, 4x4, maganda, pinang off-road. Pero, yan. Definitely. This is a V6 SR5. Hindi ko lang alam kung gas or diesel to, pero grabe, ganda. Galing. Solid. Okay, so this is from J12 Trading. Kaya pala J12 siya. Because this is, of course, check out Mr. JR Legaspi. Ayan pala, ito pala yung specs nito. Grabe, galing. Sir JR, grabe, sobrang galing po ng pagkaka-build nyo dito and maintain in your car. Sobrang solid, grabe, galing. Very nice. So this is dito. This is DMDC. Ow! American Muscle. Grabe, solid. Check out the rims. Grabe yung rims. Very nice. Galing. Okay. Ito, Chameleon Automotive Paint Specialist. They do car paint, car body collision, car restoration, car exterior detailing, ceramic coating, wheels painting, car panel alignment, headlight restoration. Tapos, ayan, just check out their pages, yung kanilang Facebook and WhatsApp. Yan. Imagine nyo, ayan, ito magkasabay yan. Ito, tsaka yan. Grabe, sobrang solid nito. May ilalim. So we're going to feature this the shop and also this car hopefully by Tuesday. So check it out. We're going to feature this one. Ay, may yata yung may-ari si sir. Sir, ano masabi niyo? Ganda, no? Linis. Parang for an old model, no, sir? Galing. Panalo yan. Wow! Yun ang masabi ko. The Filipino car community is really the craftsmanship of Pinoy, world class. Diba? Pwede natin ibangga to sa Japan, sa United States, all over the world. Solid. Alright. Guys, na-meet ko na si Sir JR Legaspi, of course, dito sa Street Auto Works. Sir, grabe, sobrang ganda ng kotse mo. Sobra. Sir, anong year to? 96. Tapos, first own ka?
Nakuha ko to sa kaibigan.
Okay. Tapos, binuo mo na lang na ganito, sir. Grabe, ang ganda, oh. Sir, ito ba yung sa Back to the Future, yung kay Marty McFly, o mas modelo to? Yung may two-door din na ganito eh, pero grabe, ang ganda. Ito, sir, pinang-off-road mo rin.
Pero light trail. light. May mga baha. So,
Okay. Sir, binabaha ba to?
oo.
Grabe.
Dito kasi nag-iinis lang ako eh.
Imos siya.
Mga lugar pa ba?
Sir, may shop ka?
Meron din.
Yung J12. Okay. So, check out nyo yung J12. Kung gusto nyo maging ganito kaganda yung inyong pickup or kotse,
Mga Japan surplus actually.
Japan Surplus.
Multi-caps, trucks,
Okay. Sir, dito rin sa Imus? Alright. Ayan, di na natin istorbo yun si sir. Sir, nice meeting you. Nice meeting you po. Thank you, sir. Grabe.
Sa ako, boss.
Guys, to my surprise, sabi ni Sir JR, this is the original paint pa. Minentain lang niya ng ganito. Kasi yun nga pala, yung mga decals nito, hindi na pala mabibili yan. Grabe, oh. Ayun guys, binuksan na yung makina. Ito pala makina nito. Ayan, dyan pala may ari. Ayan. Hello, sir. Sir, owner po. Pero grabe to. Ganda ng inspiration niyo, sir. Solid. Guys, sobra lang nakakatuwa yung mga coaching na vlog natin, na feature natin on our channel sa Joms TV Media. Nandito sila and they're joining car shows like this. This one, of course, from Mr. Mike Rivera. And of course, kay Sir Juni. Kap, ito ang pwede mong gawin sa 86 mo, ay sa BRZ mo. Ayan o. Para binatang-binata yung dating mo. Ano sasabihin mo kay Kap?
Pa-red mo na lang yung car mo.
Guys, Miss Jen Gabriel, oh. Guys, check out this Vios, oh. Ganda. Solid yung Vios, oh. Very nice. Tsaka ito, lakas yung sticker na to, yung decals na yan. Tingnan nyo. From afar, plus matching with the rims. Yung ano ba rims to? Oh, basta yan. Ang ganda, oh. Clean build. Sobrang linis. Very nice. Oh guys, ito yung kotse ng organizer, Sir Veron. Check it out. Diba? Mitsubishi Grande. Nice. Okay guys, ito pala yung loob nito. Oh, diba may welcome? Para kayong papasok sa bahay. So ito, na-feature natin to during nung kay Mama, ay puto, ayan o. Kung naalala nyo pa to. Diba? Para kayo nasa bahay na, no? O, diba? Kotse pa lang, lasingan na. Diba? Solid, no? Guys, hindi lang ito, ha? Check this out. Kayo na magpresyo kung magkano nagastos sa van na to. Oh, grabe. Solid.
This episode is brought to you by Cool Man Essentials.